You know that moment when you catch your reflection and think, why does my skin look so tired? We've all been there, chasing glow through countless bottles and promises. But what if the answer wasn't another complicated step, just a simple swipe away? At AMVital, we believe radiant skin isn't built overnight. It's revealed through balance, care, and a little golden magic from nature. Turmeric, the golden root, has been cherished for centuries for its ability to soothe, brighten, and heal. And now, that same ancient wisdom lives inside our turmeric cleansing pads. Imagine this: soft, pre-soaked pads gliding across your skin, lifting away dullness, pollution, and the weight of your day. Each swipe infuses your skin with curcumin, kojic acid, and vitamin C, a trio that fights dark spots, smooths texture, and brings back your natural radiance. No harsh scrubbing, no irritation, just clean, nourished skin that feels alive again. Whether you're calming redness, fading stubborn marks, or just restoring your glow, this is skincare made simple, yet powerful. Because when your skin feels calm, bright, and balanced, something inside you shifts too. You look in the mirror and see not just clearer skin, but confidence, ease, and light. At AMVital, we blend the wisdom of turmeric with the clarity of science, so your skincare can feel as pure as it looks. Because real beauty doesn't begin on your skin, it begins in how you care for it. Swipe, glow, repeat. Discover the golden power of AMVital Turmeric Cleansing Pads, your skin's new favorite ritual.